Okay, this is a short video for review committee members, and it shows how the system works to review an applicant. So you'll go to the login screen, which is, here's the URL for the login screen, and you'll put in your username and your password. If you do forget your password, you again can reset your password here. We'll go ahead and click on Go, and this brings us into the Faculty Affairs suite. And to the application manager, you want to look for the position that you want to review. So you'll see your name and your login here, but you have not selected a position. So what you'll need to do is go down to select position, click there, and what that's going to do is that's going to bring up all the positions that you have access to review. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select this test position, click there to put the dot in the middle, and click on Go. And now I have access to this position. It's now listed here. So the primary thing, well, I guess I'll show you a couple things. Just in case, there's a help button down here. If you need to upgrade your browser links, here, reset your password. But the primary screen that you'll be using is view and comment on applications. So we're going to view and comment on applications for this position up here. So we'll click on this. And this brings up the review screen. Now, if there are a large amount of applicants and you only want to see certain types of applicants, you can click here on the search filter and limit your what you want to view by status, application date, ranks, application name, or the recommendation score if that's used. So go ahead and close that. And what we see down here is the primary or the main review screen. So each box represents an applicant. This first column is the applicant information. The second column here is going to be the documents associated with this applicant. So the references, the files that they've uploaded, if they have any URLs. And this is also where you can access each of the documents. If Sally Johnson had already sent her reference in, you'd be able to click on this and see her reference letter. If you wanted to see Marlon Brando's file that he uploaded, probably his CV and cover letter, you can click here and we can open up the CV and cover letter. If for some reason on this application he's given us a URL to look at his work, you can click here and that goes straight to YouTube or whatever else he's using to show off his stuff. Also, if you want to get all the applicant documents for this applicant, you can click here and it'll download it for you. This next column is the overall status of this applicant. So you'll see in some cases there'll be an average score, and this is the average of all the reviewers and what they're saying about this applicant. This next column is the column that the reviewer will be working in. So you can click here and select which possible status you want to set. This is not mandatory, but it is available for some positions to set a score, and that's values from 0 to 5. So you can set a score if you like. And then here's the spot you can make comments. So you can make any comments you want. I think it's up to 1,000 characters. And you can comment on each of the applicants. So you could do them here and here. And when you get done making comments on those applicants, you need to go ahead and save your recommendations and comments. So that's saved successfully. And now the comments that you put are saved. And that's really it. In some cases, depending on the position, you're able to see what other faculty have commented on the same applicant. And again, that's it. If you have any questions, please email us or go to the help tab right here, and you can get all kinds of information. Thank you.